hold on to your hats. We've got a sneeze story for you. Sneezing, it's not just and bless you. Did you know that when you sneeze, the air blasts out of your nose at a staggering 160 kilometers per hour? That's faster than most roller coasters. Imagine this. Your nose is like a tiny built-in jet engine. 1 second you're fine, the next second you're breaking sound barriers. And all this happens in the blink of an eye. Literally. The human body is wild, right? So the next time someone sneezes near you, just remember, they've got a mini speedster right on their face. Stay curious, stay amazed, and keep those tissues handy.